Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time with Jewel by Deborah. So we are on box 2 of the fun boxes. This one is Suwanee, Georgia. I received it on 2/7 of 24, so this is the most recent box. If you guys remember, that last box we had from Phoenix was, you know, I ended up doing okay, but it was not like they used to be. All right, let me get this open. I ordered this on January 29th of 2024. This one is nicely packed. Definitely with care. All right, let's see if I can. I always try to preserve the paper. So give you guys first looks. All right, there we go. Let's see what we got, and if this is a better box than the first one. Well, this is a black themed box. All right. Oh, this is cute. So we've got a, it's big enough. It's a fanny pack, but I don't know if they call them fanny packs anymore. It is really nice. It's gold tone hardware. You could fit a lot in this. Oh, there might be a name on it. Let me check. It's got pockets inside. Well, I will definitely look. So no, it's not a fanny pack. It is I guess it's a purse. So, okay. I thought it was a fanny pack, but there's nowhere for you to strap it around. So it's like a little mini backpack. It's got places for your card. You can definitely put a phone in here and a wallet. It feels nice. I don't think it's leather, but okay. That's number one. Number 2, Nike. Look at that. And it is a little bag, Nike, insulated storage for your water bottle. Okay, so it is insulated. You can put, not there, your water bottle in here. All right, let's see. That's really strange, you guys. Look. It must just be a zipper on this side, a little pocket, because I was like, water bottle will fit in there. All right. I have to be smarter than the bag. Let me go ahead and open it this way. All right. It has 2 zippers. There we go. I was like, wait a minute. So you could put a water bottle in here, or your lunch, and it's Nike, so that's cute. Nice, and it's new with the tags. That's even better. So far, great box. Let's go with, we've got a Livy Active, no wire, quick drying, $44.95. It is a sports bra. This is really pretty. Nice coverage on that. And it's padded too. So this is great. This might be a keeper. I'm not sure. I'll have to see. It's a size 20 and it has dry wicking. But another great piece. All right, these are from Steinmart. They are Hue, 3 pairs of knee-high black socks, so that's nice. They're one size. They are nylon and spandex, so that's great. We had a Steinmart here, but ours closed probably about 5 years ago. I liked that store. It was good. Let's do all the clothing type items first. All right. Then we've got a black scarf. Looks like just a plain black scarf, which is nice. I like to use these in my light box for decor. There is no name on it, but no holes. Doesn't smell like perfume, so that's a plus. All right. Then we have a black belt. That's cute. It looks pretty small. It is definitely not leather. It doesn't have a size or anything on it. So, you know what? Let me see if I have my measuring tape here. I do. All right, so I'm going to measure from here down. Snap, snap, snap. It is about 40 inches. It is definitely a plastic, but it is cute. And it looks brand new. Okay. We have got 3 more items. We've got, I think it's jewelry. It's pretty heavy, whatever it is. Okay. Oh, there's 2 pieces in here. All right, so this is the first piece. It is a bracelet. We did get an item kind of like this. It was a little bit different, really super pretty. And it is a stretch. Okay, and then we got, this looks like a Kendra Scott. Black with black. I don't know if I've ever seen Kendra Scott with black with black. I'm looking to see if I see the Kendra Scott. It is marked Kendra Scott here. So you've got a necklace right there. So that's great. This box is much, much better. All right, and then we've got a pair of glasses. These look tiny though. Okay, let's see if I can get them open. I tell you, their bags are pretty great for sticker. Okay, I love these. These are hand polish UV, and guess what? They're black, but aren't those cute? I might keep these in the car as a spare. The only thing I don't like is I have a wide face, and so I don't like all that light that can come in like right here. So if you guys are interested, don't forget I'll pop prices up for these. All right, and the last item is, I don't know. Okay, these look like button covers. I am not sure. Okay, well, whatever it is, it looks like it has like a rivet, so kind of like a button. But then we've got these, so different, and here's the back. So I'm definitely gonna have to do a little research on this. I thought I saw something like these before. They were called pop-ums, but yeah, I really have no idea because this is throwing me off here. So I don't know. I will investigate these a little bit better. So I guess this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me put that back in its bag so it doesn't get scratched up. 5 with the belt. 6 with the scarf. 7 with the socks. 8 with the bra. I love this bra. I think it's great. 9 with the Nike. And 10 with the little bag. So, all right. If you guys are interested in any of these items, let me know. Email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. I will put all the information in this video up as we've gone. And if I haven't, I'll put them down in the description. So, all right, you guys. Well, this was definitely a better box. And keep checking my community page. I'm going to be putting up my schedules for the week or 2 weeks out to let you guys know where I will be with other on other people's channels. And yeah, you know, spring is coming. I promise spring is coming. So, all right. Well, I am going to be opening some designer boxes. I think I have 6 of them upstairs. So I need to really get those open so I can decide, do I want to send them to the Real or do I want to try to sell them myself? So, all right, you guys, well, let me know. What was your favorite piece? I love that bra. I think it's just fantastic. And that Kendra Scott was a nice bonus. So this box made up for that last one. So, all right, you guys. Well, as always, be well. Take care of each other and tell someone you love them today. And I will see you real soon. Bye, you guys.